Николай Васильевич Гоголь. Ночь перед Рождеством. The last day before Christmas had just closed. A bright winter night had come on, stars had appeared, and the moon rose majestically in the heavens to shine upon good men and the world so that they might gaily sing carols and hymns in praise of the nativity of Christ. The frost had grown more severe than during the day, but to make up for this, everything had become so still that crisping of the snow underfoot might be heard nearly half a west round. As yet, there was not a single group of young peasants to be seen under the windows of cottages. The moon alone peeped stealthily in at them, as inviting the maidens who were digging themselves to make haste and have run on the crisp snow. Suddenly, of the chimney of one of the cottages, volumes of smoke ascended in clouds towards the heavens, and in midst of those clouds rose on a bosom a witch.